Student, myself Satyam. Today I will teach you mathematics, and in mathematics today I will tell you about an important topic which is continuity of function. Student, today you will learn how you can check the continuity of function at a given point. Student, any function is a continuous function when it is continuous at every point. So first I will write the definition of continuous function, then we will learn how we can check the continuity of function at any given point. So here I am writing the definition of continuous function. Continuous function. A function is said to be continuous at x is equal to a. Here I am taking point a if limit x tends to a positive f of x is equal to limit x tends to a negative f of x is equal to f of a. This is right hand limit of the function and this is left hand limit of the function. Okay student, so if a is the any point and if you want to check the continuity of this function at point a, so in that case value of function for a will be equal to right hand limit of the function and left hand limit of the function. Okay, now student, I will draw the graph. With the help of graph you will learn how you can understand continuous function and discontinuous function. First I will write the graph for continuous function. Let this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Let this is graph for y is equal to fx. Let this is point P and this is point Q. Students, see this curve. This in this curve between point P and Q there will be infinite point, and all those infinite point this curve is continuous because this curve is not breaking at any point. So this graph will represent the continuous function graph. Understood? Now I will draw the graph for discontinuous function. Let this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Let this is the graph for y is equal to fx. This is point P and this is point Q. Students, see this graph carefully. This graph is breaking at this point. This graph is breaking at this point. So this graph will not represent continuous function graph. Okay, because this is breaking at this point. Understood? In this way you can easily understand which is continuous function graph and which is not continuous function graph. Now student, I will take an example, and with the help of example you will learn how you can check the continuity of function at any given point. So here I am taking an example. Okay, so let y is equal to x into x minus 3 upon x minus 1. This is given function. I want to check the continuity of this function at point x is equal to 3. So first what I will do, for very first I will find the value of this function at x is equal to 3. If the value of this function at x is equal to 3 is equal to the right hand limit and left hand limit of the function, then I can say that this function is continuous at x is equal to 3. So very first I will find the value of this function at x is equal to 3. So what I will do, I will put x is equal to 3 in this function. So I will get 3 into 3 minus 3 upon 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 into 0 upon 2 is equal to 0. At x is equal to 3 I get 0. Okay, now I will find the RHL, which is right hand limit of the function. Limit x tends to 3 positive f of x. Before finding the RHL, what I will do, I will take x is equal to 3 plus h. What I will do for finding RHL, I will put x is equal to 3 plus h in the place of x. Students, see it carefully. If x tends to 3 here, then h tends to 0. Okay, so we will write limit h tends to 0. In the place of x I will write 3 plus h, 3 plus h, 3 plus h minus 3 upon 3 plus h minus 1. Limit h tends to 0, 3 plus h upon 0 plus h upon 2. Student, here h tends to 0, it means we will put h is equal to 0. So when we will put h is equal to 0 here, so this value will become 0, and when this value multiplied to this value, this whole value will become 0. So in last we will get 0. So RHL I get 0. Now I will find LHL, which is left hand limit of this function. LHL is equal to limit x tends to 3 negative f of x. For finding LHL, what I will do, I will take x is equal to 3 minus h. Here if x tends to 3, then h tends to 0. So in last I will write limit h tends to 0, 3 minus h into 3 minus h minus 3 upon 3 minus h minus 1. Limit h tends to 0, 3 minus h, 0 minus h upon 2 minus h. Here student, h tends to 0 means I will put h is equal to 0. So this value will become 0, and when this value will multiply this value, so in last we will get 0. So in last I will get LHL is equal to 0. Here I am getting RHL is equal to 0, LHL is equal to 0, and value of function at x is equal to 3 is equal to 0. So I can say that this function is continuous at x is equal to 3. So in last I will write here RHL is equal to LHL is equal to f of 3. This function is continuous at x is equal to 3. So in this way, student, you can easily find the continuity of any function at any given point.